I gonna start the video in the same spot like every video? I don't know. You're just gonna have to stay tuned to find out. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a weekend vlog, and I'm starting the vlog very late in the day. So late in the day that it's literally an hour before the next day, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? So as you guys saw in the first few clips, I went to the gym. I showed a house. I got my nails done. All of this happened before the surprise birthday party for my fiance's mommy, my mother-in-law, and it was a success. We had such a good night tonight. I wish I would have filmed more, but today was chaotic. It was a lot of decorating, driving, telling white lies, all of the jazz. But anyway, that was my Saturday. Tomorrow, my mom comes in town, so I'm super excited about that. Also, do y'all see my arm? I think I might need to stop lifting so heavy at Orange Theory because I saw a picture of myself today and my arm looked a little like masculine. Anyway, okay, so tomorrow my mom comes in town and I'm super excited. She was actually supposed to be here for the party, but the weather in Texas was trash and it was icy, it was dangerous. So she's gonna come tomorrow and we're gonna spend the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday-ish together and it'll be fun. I love my mom. She's my best friend, so I'm thankful for any time that she gets to spend with us. And we're also going to celebrate my sweet mother-in-law's 50th birthday on, well, the rest of the weekend, but on Monday as well because that's her real birthday. So, yeah, you guys stay tuned. Welcome to the vlog. This is the most late intro ever, but you guys understand, I'm sure. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm editing this and I completely forgot to say that I'm gonna include clips from the party and go. Happy Sunday, guys. Look who I've got with me. Hey. I've got my mommy with me. We just picked her up from the airport and she's acting real sweet and cute now, but she's hangry because we definitely left the house late.
I am.
Yeah.
They forgot all about me, y'all.
We didn't.
It was like 30 minutes late. Huh?
Yeah, we were pretty late.
And if I picked her up at the airport
I'd be
late,
spazzing.
she would be
evil.
She would be having a tantrum.
I literally
she would
hate
be a
waiting.
brat and having a tantrum, especially if she was hungry.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Xavier was like, yeah, you do get really mean when you're like hungry or tired. I'm like,
Yeah,
like
me
a
too.
child, like a baby.
Me too.
But we're gonna make up for it and we are going to have brunch at Legacy West, and I have been dying to go here. I've lived in Texas for how long? Wow.
What?
Next month I've been living in Texas for 2 years. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it's crazy. Flew by. Yeah.
Time flies when you're having fun. Right. Jeez Louise. Anyway, so I've been dying to go to Legacy West. Granted, we were quarantine, like my first year here, but still, I've been really excited to go here. It's supposed to be super cute, and they're supposed to have a bunch of cute restaurants and shops and stuff, so I'm excited. And this is definitely gonna make up for picking you up late, right?
I hope so.
Yeah. Even though we were late, she brought us our Biscoffs. Every time she comes in town, she gives us her Biscoffs from the plane because she doesn't like them.
I was like, Mom, let me see. Are we twinning? Nails twinning?
Ooh, almost. Look how cute.
Oh.
Twin vibes. It's such a creep. I said act natural. Anyway, guys, we just left Legacy Park and it was super nice. We went to Ebb and Flow for brunch. That's like one of me and Xavier's favorite brunch places. Ooh, where did we go, Mom? What is it called?
Apricot Lane. It's such a cute little fun store. And they were so nice there to us.
Yeah, they were so sweet. We went to a boutique at Legacy West, and all the stuff in there was so cute and so unique. And y'all, I had no intentions on shopping really, or like really finding anything. I found my freaking outfit that I'm wearing to...
She splurged.
I splurged. I found an outfit that... Not an outfit. The outfit that I'm wearing to my bridal shower. It's so freaking pretty and unique. I haven't seen like anything like it.
It's really beautiful.
It's not white, but it was that cute. I'm willing to sacrifice.
It looks like a princess. It looks like a princess.
It's so freaking pretty.
It's a princess dress.
I love it. It was, yeah, I splurged on it and I'm so happy I did. I love it. And it was an unexpected find, but that's like one thing off the wedding checklist, so it all worked out. Anyway, so right now we are going back home.
Pass it down to me. She's done.
I'm gonna pass it down to her. That was honestly, that's like the best thing about having a mommy the same size as you, because, and our style is the same. We can share all the same clothes, but that's why I'm trying to get her to move to Texas,
So we can share clothes again.
because that's the best.
Double our wardrobe.
Yeah,
Yes.
we used to have a freaking enormous wardrobe, and when I moved, I was like, wow, I need to go shopping. So all my stuff was coming from her. Anyway, so we are heading home right now. We're gonna say hi to Crew, her grand puppy, and we're gonna drop Xavier off. He was such a trooper because we definitely stayed in there a little bit longer than I intended. And then we're gonna go to the hair store. We're gonna go buy some weave. She's spoiling me and buying me some bundles, y'all. So stay.
Getting more hair, but yes. Okay.
I know I have a lot of hair, but I don't want to do my hair, which is why it's always in a ponytail. So
I totally get it, girl.
yeah, I want to try another round of hair, and I'm gonna let someone professionally color it this time, and we're just gonna hopefully have a completely different experience. So yeah, all right, we will see you guys at the hair store. Okay guys, update, we did not make it to the hair store because the hair store is closed, but we got the last component of Xavier's mommy's present that my mom wanted to like put together for her. So now we are gonna head back to the house and we are gonna go get dinner at 6 o'clock, and then I have a showing at 7:30, and then that will probably pretty much be our night, and we'll just chill from there. All right guys, we are back from dinner and we just watched, what's it called?
Power Book 2.
Yeah, was the season finale. And spoiler alert, if you watch the show and you haven't seen the last episode, skip ahead like 15 seconds. Okay. They kill Zeke. Ooh, so sad.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like more though, like the last episode.
I mean, it was cool to me. I didn't like how they killed Zeke off, but you know, he was the funniest on the show. But
he wasn't even funny, Lord. It was just his faces.
he made them funny faces.
Always just looking slow and don't know what's going on. But we loved him.
We watched it.
He was very
week.
innocent and sweet, and yeah. Anyway, y'all, my mom, she's in her room. Everybody's kind of winding down for the night. I'm about to go shower. And what are you about to do? Oh, I know. You're about to go watch.
I'm about to start that Tommy show. So, we'll get back with y'all next week, I guess. So
I don't know. Y'all, I don't know if I'm going to partake. I don't be liking a lot of the gang activity. I like, like Ozark, all the dark shows. I can only watch so many at one time because my little brain be getting all dark and convoluted. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog this weekend. We had such a fun weekend celebrating your mom, and I'm happy that my mom's in town. So we're going to enjoy the next couple of days, and I hope that you guys have an amazing week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and anything you want to say?
we out.
We out.